Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up quick use menus. So what this is going to allow you to do is to use your keyboard to quickly select a menu option. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got a project open and I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where the plumb bob icon is. That's going to open up my main menu, and within my main menu here I'm going to select settings and options. Within my options menu here, I'm going to want to choose user input, and you can see here there is a checkbox for menu shortcuts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to check that off. And if I hit OK to save my setting change here and go back into my menu, what you're going to see is there's now a number next to each menu option. So what I can do is I can now, instead of using my mouse or my finger to touch each menu icon, what I can do is I can use the keyboard. So if I type in the number 3, that'll open up my measure modes menu, but I'm not connected to anything, so I'm not going to be able to select a measure mode right now. So if I back out of that menu by canceling, I'm going to now hit the number 4. That's going to open up my survey tools icon. And you can see here there's a bunch of different options. If I hit 5, that's going to go open up my Kogo history viewer, which would be a record of all the Kogo operations I've done in my project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you set up quick fire menus inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.